Waiting for a long time. Thank you for waiting for a long time. This final presentation. I'll give a speech about electrical and electrics engineering in Yonsei. I will proceed as follows. What is your dream? Teacher? Nurse? Chef? Doctor? Or entertainer? The order I said is the ranking that Koreans want to be. When I was young, I felt no interest in biology because biology requires only memorization. But in physics, if the logic is perfect, then all problems can be solved. So I determined to be a great electrical engineer in the future. Like this. In Yonsei University, all of things, libraries, including the library, electrical and electronics engineering curriculum, or record of research come into my favor. Central Library in Yonsei accommodates over 3,000 students and 2 libraries only for engineering students. So we can study anytime and anywhere, and there is no lack of research materials. Have you ever heard of Samsung Display or Hyundai Motors? One of the hallmarks of electrical and electrics engineering in Yonsei University is CEO lecture, only for electrical and electrics engineering students. The leading conglomerates such as Samsung Display, Hyundai Motors, SK Hynix is selected every semester. The executive at the selected major company is coming to our university and give a lecture to our students. So we can get by question and answering question, we can set their direction to study. This is our department curriculum. Our electrical and electrics engineering is divided into 5 sections. First, communication. And second is control and electrical and energy system. And computer system and VLSI. Electronics materials. Microwave and optics. So we can choose what we want, learn more. And then we can take the course of graduate course. So if you have an ability to learn that course, we can learn that course. And it's the undergraduate students design. In senior, we have to take this subject because at this course we this course is to research what you want to learn and write the thesis. I'll give a speech in detail later. In electrical and electrics engineering field, Yonsei University takes second place in the top 1% of papers cited in Korea. Yonsei is the second, and Yonsei University Electrical and Electrics Engineering Department is proudly ranked within Yonsei EEE is one of the best departments in the world. A number of professors in various fields teach students. I will briefly introduce the professor came with us. She's over there. The Professor Shin Yong-jun came with us, received a doctor's degree at the University of Texas Austin, and he had worked at the University of South Carolina as a tenure professor for 9 years, and he came into Yonsei University as associate professor last 2012. In the electric sector, he is currently conducts power cable diagnostics and power system with global organizations. Since there are so many professors conducting a variety of surveys in their various fields, so I can't explain all of them. So I will introduce only one undergraduate subject of study right before semester. The theme is stable taking off and landing for quadrotor. In Jinbei Park's professor's control system office. I'm interested in that control system, so I will introduce to you. Quadrotor is a hot topic these days. By using Quadrotor, Facebook and Google try to build wireless internet infrastructure. Through this, they can maintain network more cheaper. And Quadrotor is used for flying weapons and delivery of exploration. Then how does Quadrotor operate? It works with symmetry of 4 wings and takes off by the wave force when rotary wings push the air. If the M1 and M2 and 3 and 4 is pushed the same force, then they will go off like this. And if the M4 wings push more force, then the quadrotor will rotate vertically. And the M4 and M2 is given the force same, then the quadrotor will rotate horizontally. It's the same basic of the quadrotor. However, if the airframe taking off is not stable, then the following problems occur frequently. It flies to the unintended side. Like this. And it suddenly drops. Like this. Then it will be broken. So we have to solve this problem by PID control and reference function. By controlling the KP and KI and KP, we can solve this problem. It's better to low response time and percent overshooting and time for settlement and steady state error. It's better to low. It is good to having low for parameters. Control the PID depending on the reference function, then the taking off and landing can be stabilized. Like this graph, the blue line has to follow quickly the red reference function. When the value of PID is properly determined, quadrilateral flies like this video. And drop smoothly. I have a lot of good experience and learning in Yonsei University. What are the dreams of you? Whatever you do in the future, let's meet again as leading experts. Thank you.